around the corner of my heart. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is about education. As Iqbal says, "Tu shaheen hai parwaaz hai काम तेरा, तू शाहीन है परवाज है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी है." Education plays a vital role in every field of life. Our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Get education, you will remain good in China." Our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also says that education is the duty of every Muslim man and woman. My dear listeners, there are two types of education. One is known as Talim Afghan and the other is Talim Adyan. Talim Afghan is the knowledge of Sharia and Talim Adyan is the knowledge of Quran and Hadith. With the help of Talim Afghan, man has reached to the moon and can travel faster than sound. But with the help of Talim Adyan, our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam crossed the seven skies or reached the highest rank where no man has reached yet. My dear listeners, I would like to say that both the knowledge are necessary for us to spend a good life in this world and the world hereafter. I want to finish my speech with this verse. कि मोहम्मद से